Hello YouTube, welcome to my chair repair. And I will admit I leaned back on it, see where that's bowed? But I usually have like my door open or something or a wall. So I lean so I touch the wall with it. Well, there is a design flaw. Look how they got the arm around the rivets through there. We're going to grind them out, and this is the only way we can repair this now. We're going to put a piece of this wooden branch in it. This stuff is tough. Always brag it up the tree to go. I don't use it, like up here where it's brown, that's all rotted pithy, but I can break and take a picture and show you. But down here when it gets about this size, that's pretty tough stuff. You're not gonna break that. So it's almost the size I need. A little bit of wood carving. We're gonna get the rivets ground out and everything, and we'll bring it back when we're ready to stick it back together. Okay, we got the rivets out. We have an M5 bolt there. It's just not quite long enough. We have M6, which I can put a bigger washer, because that's pretty buggered up right there. So normally if we was just replacing something, we would use that. Save these aluminum rivets. I know they're ugly looking, but you don't know what you could use them on. You may have something where the rivet broke, and you'll have them. So they'll go in my junk drawer, junk can, or wherever. Then I'll never find them. But I just took a punch, rounded out. I've got this marked. How far the stick has to go in there. How far the stick has to go in here before it hits this screw. So, like I said, it's pretty tough stuff. The other one might break, so I better save this branch, huh? Just when you lean this way on this side. Now, like I said, I've leaned up against the wall with this chair, so I guess I'm the one to blame. But it's such a nice chair. It had a pouch thing on this side. You can buy these at Harbor Freight all over. You can buy them sporting goods. It's the same chair with a different brand name on it. They are so nice for a chair to work on. In fact, this is why I sat on with a pillow in my work hut all winter making my videos. So it's a nice chair. I like it. I'm fixing it. I won't show you my finger real quick. I'll show you the glove. I hit it with a sander. Oh, don't show that. I'm using it without the guard. And I caught my finger. Beware. Like I said, don't do as I do. There you had a real glimpse of it. There's just a drop of blood, but it hurts. It ripped through the hide. I'm going to cry. I got to pause and then when I'm done whining, I'll go back to work. Okay, we may have to look for some bolts. We can't find no nuts for our metric long bolts there. We got some tape on there because we peeled the bark off. This is green wood. It's still fresh. So, here's our plan. We plan on going through. There's 2 holes in here. Okay. But we're also going to drill a hole up here to lock this together. I think you know what I mean. So we're only going to put 1 down here. There's no use in putting 2. So we're going to get out some drill bits and do some drilling, and we'll see what it looks like when we're done. So stay tuned for the finale. And there's your dinner, or supper. Not the copy Terrell Fixes All or Flipper says there's your supper. There's your lunch. There you go. I just paid for my lunch. They're going to come here and give me like $3 for fixes that'll buy me something. Anyway. I had to squeeze this and mash it and bang it down with a hammer because the bolts are too short, but focus. I'm just getting too close. I'm about, I always say about 4 inches away. Don't get in here too far. There's a little bit of a gap, but I did grind some of this off though too. So, you're not going to look at the chair and it's uneven. If the other side ever breaks, we know how to fix it. But you see how I did this now? Don't show that finger. I hate that. But let that be a warning. I'm using that flapper disc without a guard, and I should have had a leather glove on, not just a plastic glove. I'm done crying about it. I manned up. We'll put some peroxide on it or something so it really burns. When you get an alloy, put something on it, really burns. When it stops hurting, it'll feel so good. There you go. Thanks for watching. I can't even say it. If it ain't fun, I don't want to do it. Thanks for watching. If you're still watching, here's your bonus feature. It is, what's that say, 75? It is, yesterday it was 10 degrees cooler in here. See that? And I got the camo to the outside, but you'll still see it on the inside. And there's just a little bit you can fit through over there. When I got to move the tractor, well, I got a drain hole there from the rain. That metal's hollow, so we dug under there, made a drain. The outside, we're just going to pull the pit dirt. We'll show that Sunday in the shop. You get a preview, see? You get a preview of the barbecue we're working on. See, we had to stop on our barbecue project 2 times to fix something else. There you go. You got some bonus footage here of what it looks like in the shop. There's the tractor. We'll show more on Sunday in the shop. The complete renovation. We're gone. Bye-bye.